Okay, Taurus, we are feeling very focused on our values right now. We're feeling very intense, very hot, very zeroed in, very fiery about our love, about our impulses, about our art. I think I'm sitting on a thorn. Oh, trigger warning, if you don't like sweat, this is not your video. It is 4 pum on the Maui, and I'm a hot mess. However, I mean, just look at this. I am so excited to film these full moon videos here on the Mauis. There's a lot of really fun things going on with this full moon. The degree of the sun and the moon are at 8. The sun has Chiron and Venus, right? Also at 8 degrees next to it. This is big. This is healing. This is value. This is focus. It's Aries and Libra, so we're saying I am balanced with my feelings, balanced with the moon, balanced with reverence, balanced with air, life, relationships. I am maintaining my individuality. So with that said, enjoy, and you're welcome. Taurus, you've already stood up. You've already shined. You've already allowed yourself to be seen, and you've already said, I'm not allowing anybody to tell me how to live my life. It's already happened. You've already gone through that. So if you're still fighting this, you're wasting time. Hanged Man is your heart of the matter. The sun. Balance. 10 of Wands. Okay, Hanged Man. This is great. You got to see the different perspective. You're very focused on your values right now, right? Balance, balance, balance. You need to allow yourself to say, in order to fully balance, I need to understand the other perspective. I need to listen. I need to stop screaming. I need to stop being stubborn about what I'm projecting, what my viewpoint is. Aries is very me, right? You're very, what do I crave? The moon says, focus on yes and. Focus on both. Focus on creating love in a reverent way. The sun is saying, yes, stay true to you. Stay true to your identity. This is harmony, bliss and harmony, upside down, under the Hanged Man. What the Hanged Man is saying, this is what you're not seeing. Choose to see the different perspective so that you can exalt bliss and harmony. And then the 10 of Wands, this is darkness in a deep artistic realm sense. This is like going into your introspective deep dive of creative depth and possibility and art, but like in the dark sense, in the like, oh no, we've gone too far. We're like the Joker. His name is escaping me. It's hard to see the different perspective. It's hard to get out of this. It's hard to exalt bliss and harmony when you're so focused on I am. So go see a healer. This is the Hierophant. Allow yourself to go get help. Allow yourself to speak with someone. Allow yourself to get a reading, to do a moment. Yes, I'm in Maui, but I'm still working. I'm still doing the things. We can do the Zooms. If you're in the mouse, then let's meet on a beach. You are loved. Okay. love filming these videos. They're so fun. So, if you want to go on a journey, watch the Libra through Pisces. What came up was pretty profoundly magical. I had a great time. Here's the other thing that I want to say. In order to understand balance, you have to know what you're trying to balance. You have to surrender to A in order to understand how it affects B. Then you have to surrender to B in order to understand how it affects A. You can't balance things that you don't know what they are. Libra is the scales, right? You have two bags. You want to find the balance between these. I have something in this one. There's nothing in this one. Therefore, what do I need to put in this one in order to make it balance this? You have to open it up. Well, what is in here? Okay, this is a boop boop and a boop boop and a bop bop. Okay, what do I need to put in this one then? This is a boop boop, this needs a bop bop and a biddle a diddle. Then you say, okay, now I understand how to balance these two things. Open up your subconscious, this moon. Open up your feminine center. Open up your receiving center. And say, I want to know what is in here so that I can... Hello! I want to know what is in here so that I can then balance myself. I want to know what is in here so that I can understand value, so that I can understand healing, so that I can understand reverence, beauty, and love. The Patreon exploration was stunning. It is live. Patreon, Sensible Paul. No dollar amount. Go on over there, sign up. I'm going to put so many videos of Maui check-ins. So go there. Also, hashtag sun sign. What sign are we in? What season are we in? Aries. So I'm doing a year project. 12 workshops, one for each season. Each workshop will be filmed with people of that sun, moon, or rising placement sign. So we filmed the Aries one. It's available on my website. Go check it out. It's a really good exploration. And it's so fascinating to put people who are all Aries in the same room and be like, oh, personalities. Yes, I love it. It's fascinating. If you have any Aries placement, if you just want to understand the season, this is for you. Also, on the 11th of April, I'm doing an 11 workshop. 11 is the master number of Portal, of the Master Intuitive. If you want help understanding your intuition and mastering your intuition, then this would be a great workshop for you. This workshop is going to happen 11 times this year. Yes, I'm doing a total of 23 workshops this year. This is, y'all, have fun. This is a great time. A great, 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 beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time. And I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and I love you. If you want also another adventure, go check out the website, paulflanagan.com. Kyle Anderson built it from scratch, hashtag code, and he did amazing. Tia Peterson helped, and I could not be more grateful for the two of them. So go check that out, paulflanagan.com. That's also where you get all the things. All the links, all the things. Blessings.